Hey guys, good morning and welcome to 4X Trading, your trading group. I'm Kram, my partner is Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis, alright? So you guys, just a quick disclaimer before we get started. We are not a buy or sell channel, okay? So if you're looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now and sell now, you're on the wrong stream and you can kindly get off my stream. But if you are looking to learn about these markets and trade the 4X trading strategy live, then stick around because that's exactly what we're going to do. All right, so you guys, I'm going to quickly share my screen with y'all. I'll just get to the chat in a minute. We had an amazing London session today as well. For the ones that joined, they know, but it was lovely. It really was. Okay, so we have we caught about 150 pips, 200 pips, and it was quick ins and outs, and we couldn't complain. It was a real fun session. If you guys haven't made it to Cash's London Market Opens yet, then please join those, because I promise y'all will make some good money. All right, so this is what I'm looking at on Nasdaq. I am in on tiny little nasty feeler cells all the way from up here. We may go back there and then get a rejection, so that could be a re-entry, or if we decide to maybe continue to push down, because we do have some time for market open. We have about 15 minutes, so then maybe we get this move now, or they could just range it and then come back down. All right, so I'm already in on nasty from up here, from this rejection. Okay, and I'm in on two feelers, just to $1 a pip, two feelers. Okay, this is what I'm looking at on gold. All right, so I do believe gold could push up maybe to the 1865, and then we'll treat this level, our potential sell that you see on here, the 1862 psychological. It's probably going to get triggered in right now. Okay, so if y'all want to maybe get in on little feelers, that's fine, but you'll need to realize that this price could go back up to the daily resistance. Okay, but if we start to break, the dirty is doing it, you guys. All right, we're testing. This is the sell on the dirty, and we can get there as long as we close. Okay, as long as we close and break, we can get there, no problem. Okay, so I like this level on gold. All right, you guys, I'm gonna wait for possibly a little bit of this break. If y'all want to get in on maybe feelers, y'all can do that, or if y'all want to wait for the wick break, y'all can do that as well. I am going to test out a little sell feeler on gold as well. Okay, and listen, I'm doing a feeler. I realize that price could go up to 1865. I realize that. Okay, so I'm going to get in on a teeny tiny feeler. Okay, I'm in on gold. Great. Okay, so I've got two sells that are on Nasdaq, two feelers from up here, and one gold sell, another feeler in around this area. Okay, oops, my bad. I was charting some oil as well. At some point I'm expecting price to maybe retest this area, and then we get a nice potential buy bounce up here, but it seems like they're taking it up before we hit there. Okay, so I'm not too comfortable getting in on these, not right now. I want to see if they want to maybe break past and retest the 74. Okay, guys, so we also have some news, I think a couple of minutes after market open today. So you all want to be a little conservative with your lots, and listen, read these, read this, read this, use these. Okay, don't be FOMOing into trades if the markets start going upwards or start buying. Y'all know me, I trade price action. Listen, if y'all are going to be trading our strategy here at Forex, you'll also need to listen to what we're telling y'all when it comes to these, right? So your entries and exits are on you, but we're giving y'all break of structure. Okay, so if y'all are going to lose money buying the markets, if they pop up and then you get in and then you're in a big drawdown when they come down, that's not on us, you guys. Okay, so please be smarter than that and look out for these areas. The ones that are able to read my charts are the ones that are able to bank some with these trades on us, with these trades on these trades with us. My bad. Okay, so you'll want to be careful of that, and just watch. Don't get in impulsively if you're uncomfortable. All right. Okay, I like this level on the dirty as well, you guys. So what I'm looking at, alright? I realize we could maybe push up, but I am looking at that. Damn, first time I can't join your stream, it's full. Milzone, do we have Dawood on here, buddy?
Yeah, give me a second.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm on the other stream.
Okay, Nasty's going back up, no problem. Let's see, if we start to get rejected from here, I'm gonna do something like that, okay? But I want to see if they want to take it up there. Okay, I'm taking a look at the DXY. The DXY is pushing down right now. Alright, Dow just flirted with our entry, gave a little wick, and now it's going back up. But let's watch, you guys, because there is news, alright? And I don't know if y'all are aware, but we do have FOMC minutes later today. And I was speaking with Cash, and I'm gonna put up a post after the session asking how many people want us to do FOMC live. Milzone, what do you think is a good number? 50? 60? If we get maybe 60 likes on it, and if we get 60 people telling us they're going to join us, then we'll stream FOMC, okay? Because you all need to realize where we are right now. That's 12:30 a.m. and at 12 a.m. it is my birthday, okay? So if I get 60 or 70 of y'all to actually join it, I won't be cutting my cake, and I'll be trading live with you guys, and we'll have a crazy FOMC session, okay? So we'll put on a post, and 60 is a good number, all right? If we get 60 reactions on it, 60 people that tell us they're going to certainly be there, we'll then do it for you guys, okay? Guys, let Cram celebrate this birthday. He deserves it. Hey, I'm anyway going to be trading. FOMC, me and Cash, we're probably going to be cutting the cake, and we're going to be trading together. So we're going to be trading nonetheless, okay? We're not going to miss on FOMC. Birthdays come and go, but we're gonna bank me some birthday gifts as well. Okay, so Nasty is trying to go back up to our sell area. All right, if it does, y'all could start to enter. If y'all think price is gonna push down based off of price action, then y'all could start entering on feelers maybe even now. All right, but again, none of these levels are guaranteed, you guys. I don't have a magic ball in front of me. I'm just analyzing these markets based off of my past experiences, and y'all need to realize that it can push up. All right, so any trades that y'all take upon yourself. Okay. Can someone restream? We're gonna be doing it in just a minute. Okay, I'm sure Dawood's on it right now. Okay. Has anyone gotten on gold, Nasdaq? Well, the dirty is still far off, but anyone in on dirty? I think I may get in on a little dirty feeler as well if we start to break this level. Okay, if we start to break this level, I'm gonna try and layer. I'm introducing you guys to layering now. All right, so this is the break of structure, but we could start to layer. All right. Feelers on Nasty and Goldie. Good. I'm on Nasty and Goldie myself. Probably getting in on some dirty as well. Again, they're only feelers, so I'm gonna be okay even if they want to pop against me. Okay, no problem. You'll need to realize that. Okay, let's make a little adjustment here, just for the ones that aren't feeling as comfortable with this. That's a nice break of structure. Okay, go to test that, and if we get that, we could probably go down to test this area as well. Okay, so I'm already in on this and on this as well. Okay, So oil is respecting this. I'm not looking to buy oil right now. I do think that they may come back down to retest this area, and I don't want to get into this chop right now, so I'm not looking at that. But look at Dow. All right, the dirty is pushing up. Let them do their thing. Let them do their thing, okay? Let them do whatever they want to. We're not going to fall for it. Not right now. We'll be patient and we'll watch. Five feelers on Dow and caught 8 pips with Lambo. Beautiful stuff. Congratulations, my man. Lovely. You caught the buy? Good stuff. Good, good, good. Congratulations. Good. Let it keep running. Trail your stop and have the previous support level as your stop. Okay. Retest candle. Guys, how many of y'all caught also we have the second stream up and running. Thank you so much, Dawood. How many of y'all caught London this morning for us? Ashley, I think Ashley fell asleep on the stream. Cash told me she's been online on the voice chat since London. Oh no, I can only imagine. Guys, Ashley's been waking up. She's in Canada. She's been up at 2, 3 in the morning to attend London, and we appreciate it, really. And trust me, ask her. She'll tell you it's worth it because we're really, really going crazy for London, and Cash's energy is just on another level, okay? So you guys want to make sure to join those, and they're always fun sessions. Okay. Alright, so nothing so far. We can expect some chop, you guys can expect some chop for the next 40 minutes, and then we're also going to lead into news. Okay, I'm entering in on a dirty 30 feeler. Again, feeler. Y'all need to realize what that means. To make y'all understand, if a feeler wants to do this against me, I'm still going to be fine. Alright? That's a feeler. It's that tiny of a position, okay? We're just testing out the waters with these feelers. And I'm just putting in feelers for these. I'm not going to be throwing in my Lambos simultaneously into 3 different securities, if that's what y'all are thinking. No, I'm probably going to throw in my Lambo into just one, but I'll layer my positions, my feelers and some Corollas here and there with the other one so that I can also bank on those whilst I'm just exposing my bigger lots, which are my Lambos, on one security that I'm 100% sure about, okay? Alright, so all in all, I'm in on 4 feelers, okay? 1 on the dirty, 2 on nasty, and 1 on Goldie. Alright, it seems like, well, at least through price action, everything's telling us that all of these should sell. Okay, oil probably is going to buy, but again, I want to see how it's going to test this structure down here. Okay, so let's see. They may not respect price action, not right now, but I promise you, they can, excuse my language, fuck around how much ever they want to, but when we hit these levels, we're gonna be money, okay? So you'll wanna monitor these levels not only on my stream, but also off my stream, okay? Chief, right here, sell area, so let price come into this area. I'm just testing it out right now. So I'm in on a little teeny tiny sell, but I'm just testing it out. Okay, gold, some momentum coming in, some volume coming in, and nasty, let's throw on an alert for Nasdaq right about there. Okay, alright, I'm just gonna put oil on the side for now. Okay, gold's attempting wait for a candle to close, okay? If y'all aren't comfortable to enter in right now, just get in on feelers and wait for a candle to close. Y'all don't need to be going too crazy, alright? We've still got about 53 seconds. Let's take a quick look at the RSI. Nicely popping to the downside. Let's look at the EMAs. Lovely. We're catching some support off of the 9 right now. We've got good enough room to maybe test this area, that area, and then this area. And then, if they still want to plummet down into our bigger potential sell, okay, look at this. 1850. When we come down here, this is going to be that lovely break of structure that we're really looking for. Are we going to get this for FOMC? Maybe. Are we going to get it before that? Maybe. We'll find out. Gold is going to be my biggest player today. Hey man, I hope so. I've got some nice big hopes from gold. Can you guys hear me?
Yep.
Okay, thank you. Alright, nasty. Attempting. I need to be alerted. Okay. NAS and US 30 are attempting, you guys. 2 feelers for me, 1 feeler for me. Let's see if anything wants to close in. Y'all need to realize that we have a new candle, the new hourly swap in the next 4 minutes. Okay? So maybe that's gonna have some impact. Maybe it's not. Maybe we go back, have a little reversal. But for now, they're doing it, okay? On both of them. They're doing it.
And maybe gold as well is kind of...
Yep, it's all attempting, okay? So y'all could be trading any one of these. It don't matter. Y'all could be trading any one of these, but just pick one. Cram effects, could you explain how the price action told you it's gonna go down today? Well, it's these candles. It's structure, you know? The RSI was overbought. This is a strong level of resistance. We've tested it recently and it didn't hold. If we draw on a trend line, we're trending to the downside. Okay, what's going to be break of structure? This area. That's price action. Okay, alright, so everything's attempting. I'm watching the Dow right now. We're getting it, alright. Nasty 2. Damn it. Now this is a time where Millzone and Dawood, we need to fix this. This is where I'd like the split screen to be there. Okay, so everything's attempting. Okay, gold looks good. Who's running on gold with me? Did anyone get in on gold?
Yeah.
Okay, good, good. In on gold. Alright, guys, take it easy, okay? Trade small. Don't go too crazy. Wait for a candle to close in our box, okay? Only and only then are we going to be triggered in on anything, alright? So if you're in on a feeler right now and you're feeling this loss, it's okay, alright? Because if you're in on a feeler, you should be able to hold it up to the daily resistance. Let's see in the next minute and 30 if they're going to close it in our green box or not, okay? We're being held up by the EMA right now. Yes, sir. Trigger finger on break of structure. Lovely. Only feeler still then. Okay, so impulse. We haven't gotten the closes yet on gold. Alright, and impulse. Haven't gotten the close on nasty. Same story. Impulse, we haven't gotten a close on Nasty, okay? You see how they're flirting with our box more and more? We're making lower lows. This to me and to any technical trader would be a good sign. Alright, so let's see. We could expect a retracement maybe back to this area and then we push back down, or we could maybe go up there and then push back down. But so far, nothing's closed in our box. Last 30. Let's see if Goldie wants to do it. Okay, not as yet. Not as yet. Are we live trading FOMC? Yes, we could. I'm gonna be putting on a post after this after this live session with the trade recaps for the day, and if we get 70 people that are gonna react to that and are gonna promise us that they're joining in, watch gold. All right. Boom. Okay, who got in? Was anyone trigger finger fast enough to make that happen?
Yeah.
All right, I hope you get out because technically this is still an impulse. We haven't had a candle. Good, good. As long as you're getting in and out, that's good. Okay, because you'll need to realize this
Whoa,
still
did you see
hasn't.
that?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, thank God I
Yep,
got out.
yep. Feelers.
Oh
I couldn't get in on my Lambo, on gold. I wasn't quick enough because I was talking to y'all. I couldn't switch over and I couldn't get in on that. But if anyone banked on that wick, congratulations. Good stuff. Tusu, congratulations, man. Good stuff. Good, Ian. Benedict, awesome. You guys caught gold. I love that. All right, but beautiful structure. Look at this, right? We test the sell multiple times. All right, strong level of resistance, and then just these red volumized freaking candles. Look at gold, you guys.
I can't believe I traded gold and won. I'm in shock right
Yep. Okay, I'm in on gold with a break-even stop loss. I'm running about 3 pips now, so $300, 400. Okay, I'm in on gold. Beautiful. Cash is trading Nasdaq. Are you buying Nasdaq? You selling Nasdaq? All right, she's selling Nasdaq. The dirty. All right, so everything's testing it out. Gold is doing it. Okay, it's being a little weird around here. Okay, so I pulled out a quick about 350 on gold. All right, not too much. I knew it was gonna go hit break even on my stop loss, which was somewhere here. So I was like, fuck it, I might as well take it. And I'm gonna wait for maybe this wick break to re-enter, or I'm gonna wait for this zone. All right, just looking at what price action wants to do. This looks good to me. Okay, I'm gonna wait for this break. Okay, that's good. Boom. Lovely. All right, who's catching that with me? We're almost at TP on gold and on nasty, and the dirty is trying to do it as well. Beautiful start to the session. All right, I'm running, you guys. I'm running by 1500. Beautiful fucking full. Look at that. Okay, B should follow suit maybe. Pull out your profits. Pull out your profits. Okay, don't be greedy. I'm gonna show y'all what I just did on gold. Well, I'm just gonna send y'all all of my open positions right now. I've liquidated. I'm good. If you guys are still in on it, have a break-even stop loss. All right, I can't. That's the best that I can tell y'all to do. Have a break-even stop loss. What a way to start. I hope you guys got that. Okay, I'm gonna send out my position. Just give me a second. Alright, so that's what I did on gold. I got in With one feeler, with one Corolla, and with one Lambo. I got in with my Corolla before I did my Lambo. I got in with my Lambo before I did my Corolla, and then I just rode that momentum to the downside. I've pulled out my Lambo in its entirety, and I still have my Corolla running with a break-even stop loss. Okay? 44 seconds to go. Look at that. Nasty's almost hit TP. Alright, so these two are probably going to get triggered now, okay? Which means we could have a little bit of a retest and a break to the downside, okay? So if y'all want to be trading, either one of these, choose one and go with that, alright? That's what my recommendation is to y'all. Don't be trying to trade both of them together. It's not going to work out. I'm looking at the Dow. Is Nasty still dropping? Okay, I'm looking at the Dow. You guys can trade whatever y'all like, okay? The reason I'm doing the Dow is because my spreads on the Dow are pretty, okay? I have a 1 pip spread on the Dow, and as scalpers, the better our spread, the more pips we make. Congratulations, man. Good stuff. All right. Would that wick fill happen? Maybe. Alright, so if you guys are still holding my Corolla, is still active on this one, let's see, okay? Okay, healthy retest. Getting wicked over there. That's good. Mill zone, remember what we spoke about today, my man. Alright, let's see. Let's see if they want to respect this previous resistance, or if they want to maybe test our entry, which could also be half this candle body, okay? But they are coming into some rejection right at that level of resistance, which looks good to me. Let's take a look at... Beautiful. Look at that. Alright, did anyone get in on the dirty? Is anyone in on the dirty? I'm looking for maybe this wick break. And if we get that, I'm going to try and get in, okay? Because I was looking at Nasty. Okay, gold's retesting our entry. Nasdaq is still respecting our resistance, which I like.
Hey, Graham, why don't you ever trade the SP 500?
It's to be honest, it's too slow for me, man. I'm not gonna lie. So the way, for me, I used to trade it earlier, bro, but it just the S&P is too slow for me. We have similar moves, but they usually are for fewer pips. All right, so the US 30 moves the fastest, but again, sometimes it's between the dirty and the nasty. But through my experience, I've seen the US 30 have more volume than Nasdaq, just in general, and then it's Nasdaq, and then it's the S&P. So I would actually recommend the S&P for the beginners on here, because it's a slower pace, and most times than not, it's usually correlated with Nasdaq. So yeah, you guys can actually be trading that. It's a good security to start. It's a good index to start with for the ones that are new and find the pace of what we do quick. Thank you for bringing that up, man. I appreciate that.
No worries. I was just looking at the spreads. The spreads for the S&P 500 is like around 7, and Nas and this 30 are like near 20.
7. Okay, you mean 7 ticks. So you're saying 0.7 pip and a 1 or 2 pip on Nasty and the Dirty. To be honest, bro, anything up to like a 2 or 3 pip spread, which would be 20 or 30 ticks on your broker, they're usually going to put it up as 20, 30, 40. That's basically 1 pip, 2 pips, 3 pips, 4 pips divided by 10. So anything up to a 2 or a 3 pip spread is fine. If your spreads are going above that, it's not worth it, man, because we're scalping these markets. We're looking for 15 good pips. If we're going to be spending 5 pips as commissions, it beats the purpose, right? So MFF, Hanko, they'd match up these spreads.
Okay, that's why I'm on MFF. So when it says 20, that's basically
2 pips.
2 pips.
That's 2 pips.
Gotcha. Okay.
All right, cheers, man. Okay. Retests. Like I said, okay, half this candle is being retested. All right, let them do it. Let them do it. Let's see. What are we interested in now, you guys? That. And of course, that. And that. Okay? Straight up. Straight up. We've got good volume still pushing in to the Dow. So I like the Dow. Nasty is also definitely going to do it. Let's get rid of that real quick. Gonna get rid of this real quick as well. Just want the chart to be clean. And you guys know where the sells are, okay? What did oil do? Still testing, okay? Coming into a short-term 5-minute downtrend. Just like that. Maybe we break past and we push up, or if not, we're going to come back down, and this could be where we pick support up from, okay? Alright, so new candle. Open up on the Dow. We're still pushing down, you guys. They're still attempting, okay? Even though volume is not the best, just because we're so close to market open and we've got the news that's coming out. The volume's not the best, but they're pushing. They're trying, alright? The sellers are absolutely trying. Okay, look at gold. Are we gonna have some volume kick into gold? Alright, so the buyers are stepping in. Pretty slow right now, you guys. Pretty slow. I'm still more inclined towards the buys, towards the sells. Let's watch. Let's watch what they do. My opening positions for this shot are all the way up here, okay, at the 51.50. So I'm gonna leave all of these on break even. They're all in good profit. I have about 2 feelers and a Corolla that are running. I banked out of my Lambo anyway. Okay, you see that wick? That's selling pressure. All right, that wick is good selling pressure. The dirty right now looks the best to me. Okay, so we're... Look at this, alright? If I had to draw this out... Okay, there you go. I was just going to draw out some demand for y'all, but they're giving it to us. Alright, so who's catching the dirty with me? I'm running 600 on the dirty. Okay, I'm going to put this at a break even because I don't want to be risking anything at all. Alright, I'm still running about 400, so that's 4 pips. Okay, I may get stopped out on this one, and I'm fine with that. I'm not going to be greedy, alright, you guys? I'm still running by 3 pips, 300, 400, just ranging in and out. Okay, I got stopped out of this one. All right, I got stopped out of this one at a break even. I look to enter again if we begin to break that. Okay, guys, this is the way I trade. All right, I don't risk my Lambos for nothing. My Lambos never go into losses, and the reason they don't is because I'm monitoring them as closely as y'all just saw. Okay, so this can still push down. I'll get some volume and I'll hop right back in. Okay, we've got about 1 minute left in this candle. And this is also the last 15 minutes before market open, as my lovely partner just said. Thank you, baby. Okay. Do I feel sad for not banking the 600 that I was up by? No. All right, because there's going to be another move, and I've already banked some to begin with. Okay, so we need to put the greed aside, and we need to not be emotional and hold on to Lambos if they decide to momentarily go against us, especially in times like these when we're so close to the market open and news. Okay? Alright, so far, pretty choppy. The past 40 minutes have been pretty choppy. Let's hope the new 15-minute candle gives us what we want, okay? Let's throw on some alerts. I'm gonna set this area up for the dirty because I'd like to get that break in case it wants to happen. Alright, so maybe they're going up to make a double top. I'd like to get this area. I'd like to get that area. If we get back into the cells. And I'd like to see this area get tested for Nasdaq. Okay, and let's see what they want to do for market open, and then we'll take a call if we want to start looking for buys for the news release that's going to happen shortly after market open. Alright, but so far, lots of selling pressure and the sells look good. Guys, for me, this move, it's 40 pips. All right, my runners, my feelers are running 40 into 2. So my $80 is just my feelers right now, and I have a Corolla sitting over here for $5. So for me, this is still a very much active trade, but it's also a risk-free trade because I have a break-even stop loss, and I made what I had to make off of this trade already. All right. Could they maybe do that? Yes, they could. Alright, so you'll want to be careful as we're going close and the market open. Can MFF be used globally? I think they can. They support, I think, almost every region, but don't quote me on that. But you want to check it out, man. Check it out. Chances are they support where you're at, okay? Morning, Joel. The dirty guys. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Dirty being dirty. Okay. I'm running on the dirty. Did anyone get in on the dirty? We had this area marked up. Running 30. Me too. Alright, whilst I was talking to y'all, I had an order set up over here, and now I'm now up by 16 pips. Alright, so that's 1600 on the dirty for me. And running 1700, 1800, 2000. Boom, there you fucking go. Alright, look at this. Okay, so maybe Nasty is trying to come in as well, but the dirty is giving it to us, you guys. Look at that, look at that. I'm running 2100 on the dirty, 2200. Who's freaking banking with me on the dirty 30? Alright, find another group. I keep telling you guys. Find another group that's going to do this for y'all for free. Okay, it's insane to think about it, you guys. We come here and we bank these pips for y'all every single day, again and again and again and again. And now we're doing it twice a day. It's insane. First day back in banked on the US 30. Let's go. Congratulations. Now I let this one go, and honestly, I feel good about it. Maybe a little jealous. All right, so I've liquidated my position completely. I hope you guys pulled it out. With the forex strategy, we have a 10 to 15 pip rule. The ones on my one-on-ones are aware of this, and if you've been following my sessions, you should be aware of this as well. When you get in with a position that's big, you want to pull it out with a 10 or a 15 pip profit, nothing more. Okay, so I caught 2,300 on the dirty. Okay, let me send it out to you guys. Beautiful move, and I don't care if this wants to go more in my favor, okay, because now I just have my feeler that's still running, and as y'all can see, my feeler is running 63 pips as well. So if that wants to come down, I'll make another 100, 150, 200, whatever it is off of this, okay. But in and out, 23 pips on a Lambo. I'm not looking for anything more. I put break even stop on 30. Lovely. That's what you've got to do, man. Okay, so Nasty hasn't broken the low. Let's throw on another alert there. Alright, so how many of y'all have made some money? Okay, go ahead, react to the W. Pretty clean day, choppy, but clean moves in and out. I want to see how many of y'all, it doesn't matter if y'all are paper trading, if y'all are trading with $1, if y'all made $1, 100,000, 10,000, it don't matter. But as long as you've used my analysis successfully, let me know. Okay, 14 people. We need to start topping up that number, okay? Because this makes me think that we usually have definitely more than 15 people sitting on my stream, and even on Cash's stream for London. And if only 15 of y'all are making money, what's the case with the rest of y'all? Are y'all losing money, or are y'all just not set up and y'all are spectating? You know, because we're here to help you guys, you know, and we want you guys to make money off of what we do here. It's the whole reason why we're here, okay? So let us know if you guys need any help. Please don't DM me, you guys. I don't reply to the DMs. They're flooded. Just if y'all have any sort of questions, these live sessions, this is when y'all should be unmuting your mic and asking your questions straight up, not one-on-one, but me in front of all you guys, okay? But now's the time to ask, because everyone's in a different time zone, and I missed through the messages if the messages come late at night or whatever. So now's the time, okay? I'm live. I'm for you guys right here. Alright, so if there are any questions about getting set up, about what we do here, why we do what we do, now's the time. Okay. So I guess you guys know everything there is to know about Forex trading. Lovely. Okay, good momentum coming in here. Any tips on setting up your top down? I feel like my levels are way off yours sometimes. Well, they're gonna be off mine, man. I've spent 7 years on these charts to spot these levels. They're gonna be off, and these markets are super subjective. All right, so the way I look at these charts and the way you're gonna look at these charts are gonna be 100% different. It's gonna boil down to accuracy. And accuracy comes through experience. It's just one of those things. The more you do the top down, the better you're going to get at it. Every top down is going to be better than the previous one. It's just one of those things, bro. The ones on my one-on-ones, we touch upon the top down pretty much on every session, so it brushes their skill up and they figure out the sort of key areas that they need to look for. Okay, so gold is pushing. All right, let's see if gold wants to give us that break. Let's see. Are we going to get that alert go off on gold, or are we not? The goal isn't to hit every trade, but rather not to lose on any. My man. Well said, my brother. Well freaking said. Guys, me and Cash are so fortunate to have a business partner like Milzone. For real, the man's a myth. He's a legend, and he's freaking nailing it with forex trading as well. And couldn't appreciate you more, my brother. Okay, all right. So we're still respecting resistance. That's a good sign. Okay. This is just freaking choppy. Like, I just kept tilting my head because I literally didn't know from what angle to look at this. This is choppy, okay? But I like the cells coming in. Alright. Nice level of resistance right there. Boom. Alright, we're respecting that. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, so we're coming into some indecision, some chop right now, as you guys can see, based off of these ugly wicks that are turning up. This is also the last 5 minutes before market open. Okay, guys, take a look at gold. All right, they're still attempting. Last candle before the market open. What are they gonna do? Let's find out, you guys. Let's find out. All right, say they want to go back up. I'm gonna look to re-enter in on this. Okay, if they start to go back up there. Okay, but let's see. Let's see. We've got about 5 more minutes. And listen, if you guys are new to my stream, if you're on here on the 4x stream for the first time, then guys, please don't be trading the first 5, 10, 15 minutes of the New York market open. You want to wait for the first 5 minutes, maybe the first candle to pass, and let price decide its trend, because we can have some super erratic movement in the first candle. So just watch. All right, just watch. Guys, what capital should be enough to start trading forex? You can start with as little as $100. All right, and well, not even 100. I think it's $50 now. All right, you could buy a challenge, a funded account challenge, a $5,000 account for $50. All right, so if you want more information about all of this, 1, you can check Forex Academy. 2, just give me a bit. Let's get down with market open and news, and I'll break it down for you. Okay. Oil's water falling. Okay, good. I'm still waiting to test this area, man. Guys, I'm just marking it out for y'all. Alright. This is what we're looking for. Okay. Okay, I'm just letting you guys know that. You're welcome, buddy. Alright, let's throw on an alert there. Okay, look at that. Dirty is going back. Gold. Alright, gold's trying to do it. If we start to see maybe a rejection over here, you guys, let's see. We've got 2.5 minutes to go. Babe, can you give me the exact time for news?
News.
All right, so they're pushing up. They could go back all the way there. All right, so this is why I said you guys should be liquidating your positions. We could go back there. Let's see where the rejection wants to come in. Oof, look at that. They may be trying to go back up there as well. They're going to test our sell entries again, possibly, right? Let's see if they hold, or if those start to come in. Okay, don't be setting up orders, all right? But in case you all want to, these are not going to be buy stops. These are going to be buy limits. Okay, just letting y'all know. But don't set up orders. Don't be lazy. Do the instant executions, all right? There's no easy way to make money in these markets. Okay, good rejection coming in on, well, I like that rejection on the Dow. Looks good to me. Okay, let's see. Nasty, trying to go back up there. Reject 30 and Nasdaq, please. Cotton 4K. Well, are you talking about the resolution, or are you saying you're down by 4K? Because I hope you're not, buddy. I hope you're not.
Gold is kind of doing well as well, Crab.
Mm-hmm. Yep. That break, you guys. That break looks good. All right. 1 more minute to market open. Listen, the last 30 seconds could change things drastically. So watch for that. And maybe on the new market open, on the market open, this break could give us a nice little move. Okay. So let's have an alert set right there. All right. I've got my eyes on the Dow, you guys. I've got my eyes on the Dow. Say we start to push down from here, good entries coming in, okay? Let's see if they want to respect it or if they just want to go crazy, okay? Let's get rid of this. All right, gold. Okay, let's mark it open. Okay, watch out, you guys. Watch out. Boom. All right, who got in on Nasty? Who got in on Nasty? Did anyone catch it from here? Did anyone catch that? Boom. All right, cash is up big time. I am just looking to break that freaking wick. Come on. Come on, give it to us. Gold as well. All right, everything. Okay, Nasdaq's not doing it. Gold's triggered. Boom. Lovely. I'm all in the blues. All right, I'm all in the blues, you guys. Looking good right now. Okay, that could be the buy coming in, all right? Boom. Look at freaking Nasdaq. Who's catching Nasdaq with me? Who is catching that fat ass volumized candle with me? Who's doing that? Okay, I'm up by... Look at that. Come on. If you guys aren't catching that, potential sell area, boom, the drop down. All right. If you guys aren't getting this, that's on you. All right. Maybe consider trading. Maybe reconsider trading. All right. Because this is clean. And the US 30 is doing it as well. All right. The US 30 is doing it as well. Wait for that. Beautiful. Who freaking caught Nasdaq? I'm putting on another W, and there better be more than 17 people that caught this, okay? Come on. Who caught that? Who freaking caught that beautiful move on Nasty? I'm sorry about that. You guys are funny. 15 people? Come on, you guys. What are the rest of y'all doing? For real. Like, what are the rest of y'all doing? Why aren't the rest of y'all trading with us? JJ, my man. Welcome, buddy. Welcome. It's good to have you on the stream. Hey, most of you guys are going to have this love-hate relationship with Goldie at first, okay? Trust me when I say this. But then, when you understand the way gold moves, it becomes a freaking seductress, okay? Babe, do you want to... Alright, so cash Cash is up. She's up by 15 grand and counting. Cash is up by 15 grand. This is lovely. I'm up by 6 grand. All in all, with all my positions, I'm going to tell you guys what my positions are right now. I've got 2 feelers on Nasdaq. I've got 1 Lambo running on Nasdaq. I've got a feeler on the dirty, and I've got a feeler, Lambo, and a Corolla on gold. Lots of positions running in right now for me. I'm going to send it out for y'all, okay? What a freaking day, you guys. What a nasty day. What a nasty day. I love it. I love it. What a nasty day. Okay. Let's see how many pips that is. We caught 80 pips on 1 candle on nasty. Look at that, man. Look at that. We caught 64 pips on the dirty. Awesome. Dirty hit TP as well. Listen, man. You could trade this right and make the same amount of money, if not more, on this move than we did on this move. It's the same thing. Okay, in fact, the dirty moves more. It moves more erratically, alright, because it's more volumized. Okay, so now the retests are coming in. I don't care. I'm going to send out my positions to y'all. I have liquidated everything. I am happy. I don't need to be doing nothing more. I'm probably not even going to trade news or FOMC, and I'm not going to let cash trade it either. Okay, so I just sent out my position to you guys, my positions. Quite a few open today. Loved it. I was in the mood for some layering. I did have some more positions playing out on my other account that I'm not trading. I just had some orders that was set up on my funded. And yeah, good day, good day. Can gold and nasty still go down? Absolutely they can. Of course they can. They could go back up. They could retest this area and then maybe come back down again. It's very, very possible. And on gold as well. Could go up there, come back down, and then break this area. Y'all see these areas now on gold? Guys, listen. Oof. Look at that. Thank you. Thank you, Milzone. Thank you for letting me know about that. Okay, so I hope the ones that banked on this got out of this because it reversed just as quick. According to the strategy, is 10923 the area? 10923, where is that? 109. No. 23. If you're talking about these, no, bro. You need to go on to Forex Academy and you need to watch the video for entries and exits, okay? Because the entry for a Lambo will be after the impulse break. So consider this the impulse, this the retest, this the rejection, and the break of this previous structure, or the break of this previous structure will be your Lambo entry, alright? 10911. I'm sorry?
I got a quick question for you.
What's up?
So 30, for example, how come you never trade when it's retracing?
What do you mean? In this case, what do you mean?
So we went in for the sells, and now it's going in the opposite direction. How come you never go in for another trade on
the buys? Because I respect my strategy, and for me, the way we work with the strategy, Vix, right? All right. The way we work for this with the strategy is we build our overall analysis, and then through price action, we find multiple confluences as to whether or not price wants to respect our analysis. So even though we're having these volumized candles right now, I'm not going to be getting in on these buys because I'm aware that we have news in the next 20 minutes, 21 minutes. And based off of price action, what are they doing here, VIX? Right? They're making something like this, right? It's still bearish, right? Over here, we've been overbought, we've been overbought, we've been overbought. Have we been oversold? No, we haven't. So is it time that we go oversold? Maybe, right? That's the confluence from the RSI, confluence from the EMAs. Maybe they're closing in. They're closing in. The 9 is coming closer. They could give us maybe a potential death cross. All right, so that's on the 5s. We do have some patterns as well, like I just showed you. What would be our break of structure? Our break of structure would be this area right there. You know, so the bigger trades, you see how this breaks structure, this area switches its resistance up here and now it's support. The break of this area will give us this move down here, right? So I build my analysis, VIX, and then I stick with it because if I'm not going to be trading my analysis or counter trading my analysis, I'm not going to have a reason as to why I'm making money in these markets, right? And I was actually having this conversation with Millzone earlier today, well, last night for you guys, and I was telling him that, you know, sometimes you may have to make the choice where because the analysis or because the strategy doesn't let you, you may miss out on some opportunities, and that's fine, all right, because you'd rather have a reason as to why you're making money than just sort of buy and sell just looking at how the candles are moving, right? So to answer your question in short, rounding it up, I just don't counter trade my analysis. Okay, starting to go bullish now. Are they going to retest our sell? Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Nice volume coming in. Plan a trade and trade a plan. Well said. My man, well said. Alright, so they're pushing up. Okay. Let's see. I'm still not too inclined on the buys, guys. I don't want to get triggered close to news. Alright, so I'm going to let them do their thing. If we want to look for buys, we want to break this structure. And I probably won't be getting in on any buys, not till we break this area. Okay, so I'll mark that up for you all as well. Alright. Let's give it some room to breathe, even if they want to break past this, okay? My biggest enemy, and this is myself, but recently been doing really well, staying disciplined. That's it, my man. Discipline is everything, you guys. If y'all don't have a strategy to respect, you're going to make some really bad losses. If you make some really bad losses, your trading psychology is going to be all over the place, and you're going to be in a bad place. And if that happens, you're just not going to make money. It's like you need to have these 3 pieces of the puzzle to put them together and to actually be profitable in these markets, okay? So it's analysis, money management, and the psychology. Yeah, I found that discipline to the strategy and correct lot sizing for the account. It's key. Bro, that's all it is. Listen, that's all it is. I have built my eye to analyze these markets the way I do. But if you guys are able to just stick with the strategy that me and Cash have built over the past years, you guys have pretty much an express way to make money as long as y'all crack the strategy. Don't try to crack the markets. Try to crack the strategy because we've already done that for you guys. We've built our strategy through our experience in these markets. So don't try to be cracking the markets. It'll take you all years. Use the strategy that we're offering to you guys and learn to respect the strategy. And I promise you, there's no way that you guys won't be making money. Okay, so rejections coming in from the sell area. Did anyone get in on another sell up there? Did anyone do that? I'm checking the chat right now. Did any one of you guys get in on another sell position? Awesome. I love it. I love it. Okay, I hope this is what I mean. This rejection, this is freaking lovely. And we have this sitting right here, right? The potential sell area. Okay, so hold this position. Leave it on a break-even stop loss. All right, leave it on a break-even stop loss. It could be a Fila Corolla, whatever it is. That's fine. That's $1 a pip. Just leave it on a break-even. Okay. If this $1 a pip, okay, comes in your favor, you're gonna make $90 off of that. Just off of the 90, just off of the dollar a pip off of your feeler. Okay? So that's a good trade to be entering in. Alright, so we had this sell over here, so I'm just gonna move this up here now. Okay. On the Dow, I still like this sell. Nasty. Okay. Yep. Look at that. Look at that dirty rejection. Babe, they all heard you. I'm sorry. She's trading Nasdaq. You guys know her. She doesn't trade nothing else. Lovely. Alright, look at Nasty, you guys. This is it. Price action. VIX. Potential sell. Price action. Structure. Structure. Okay, structure is everything. I need you guys to realize that. Alright, and if we're able to identify these levels of structure, babe, that's freaking crazy. Pull that out now. Okay? If we're able to capitalize on these, that's all we need. That's all we need. Beautiful. So you guys caught it again. I love it. I didn't get it. Y'all won't believe it, but Cash is still riding on those positions. And she's going crazy. Babe, are you... Yes. You are recording your screen. That's why I love you. Good. Look at what the dirty did. Barcoding. Okay. This. Rubber band movement. This is barcoding. Okay? You want to either break down or break out. Let's see what they want to do in this case. I do believe they're going to break down. Let's get rid of this. Let's clean up the charts just a little bit. I can guarantee you this level of support, if we throw on the EMAs here, it's probably going to be held up by the EMA. Right? There you go. Boom. Oil, maybe triggered for the buys. Uma, any of you guys, if you're trading this, the buys could be coming in for oil. Baby, you need to pull that out. I mean it. Okay, so keep an eye out on oil, you guys. Nasty. It's created a lower low, but it's also a nice level of support, as y'all can see based off of all of this previous structure. Look at the dirty, man. They're trying, right? Even though the dirty is super ugly right now, but they're trying. Retesting entry. Nasty. Retesting the 4R. Oil. Respecting the buy. Is anyone trading oil? Is any of you trading oil? Waiting for oil entry. Okay, good. Okay. Alright, let's see. Let's see how they want to hold it here. Let's see if they want to take it. Just be in on feelers, alright? Because this is, you're trading against the trend here, okay? So be in on feelers. We break that. And then you could start to get in on some bigger positions, okay? Even on this candle, if this starts to reverse right now in the next minute and 50, that would count, okay? Because we've tested this area. Okay, gold. Nasty's being a little off right now. Right there, we've got some TP. Come down there, no problem. Let's break this and let's get notified when we do so, okay? Guys, we also have news in the next 20. Alright, so oil is still testing that. So many gold trades today. I know, gold was fun today. Gold was fun today. Alright guys, listen, just monitor this. I need to actually go to the restroom real quick. Give me a second and I'm gonna be back. Watch gold, watch nasty, watch the dirty, and watch oil. Watch them all, watch whatever you're trading. I'm gonna be back in just a second. Hey guys, I am back and listen. If we get another retest on here, I literally just enter in on another little feeler on the sell, on the Dow. If we get another retest here, I'm probably gonna get in on another short position, okay? I really like the sells on the dirty. I'm in for right now, okay? Jan trading is so much better than December already. I know, I told you guys, man. Jan's gonna be crazy, and it's turning out to be just that. Okay? Listen. I'm gonna set up some orders real quick, you guys, for the dirty. Alright, give me a second. I am gonna be back. Who's banking on gold, you guys? Who's banking on freaking gold? I have some orders set up for the dirty. I'm good to go on that, so I could actually be talking to y'all and teaching y'all stuff, and I don't have to be trading whilst this is playing out. Banking, beautiful, good stuff, good stuff. All right, nasty, rejections coming in here as well. All right, but nasty may give us a move. But again, I feel like we've gotten what we wanted out of Nasty with this major move, but we still haven't gotten it from the Dow, alright? Which is why I want to juice the Dow some more. Okay? Let's see, you guys. We have about 7 minutes. Alright, let's see if we get this break for news, you guys. Let's see if we get this break. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. Sorry, you guys, just setting up some orders. Don't think I'm taking any sort of trades right now. For US 30, won't be using a different chart. Well, yes, but it doesn't really matter. I did switch my brokers, so Global Prime works better on the broker that I'm on right now, so you guys can just go ahead and use Global Prime. Alright, so we're having a little bit of a retest here. Okay, I may be entering in on a teeny tiny feeler again. I don't know. I'm gonna watch. I'm definitely, it's enticing me. Alright, a feeler won't hurt, right? A feeler won't hurt. Even if it goes against me, it won't hurt. It's fine. Alright, so I'm in on 2 feelers, and I have a stop in around this area. Okay, in around this area, that's where I have a stop. If I want to be safer, I could have it maybe at that area, but that's what I'm looking at. Okay. Alright, so they're taking it bullish. Maybe we get that wick fill. It's a possibility. Okay, maybe they give us that wick fill before news, and that's fine. Yep, that's what we're looking for, bro. That's what we're looking for in the next 5 minutes. Next 5 minutes or 10 minutes? Next 5 minutes. Alright, we're also gonna have the new hourly candle open. The DXY is dropping. Okay, let's pick these pips up, and let's call it a session, you guys. It's been a long one today. Yo, what's meme land? I'm sorry, you guys, if it's something to do with the whole NFT thing, then I know nothing about it. That's probably why I know nothing about it. NFT? Alright, okay. A launch today, very hype. Oh, really? Are they doing well? Oh, by 9gag's founder? That's nice. Look at me, traditional forex guy, sitting on Project Whitelist, not knowing nothing about meme land. Okay, I like that. Let's see, guys. Listen, the reason I'm in on feelers is because I realized that Vic fill could happen, and of course, if they want to go above this, then they're probably just going to push a bullish to the next resistance. Okay, so this is what price should be doing. Are they going to do it? We'll find out. All right. Guys, this stuff can go on the general chat. Okay, let's keep this forex only. All right, thank you guys. We're coming into news, and okay. Let's see. All right, good rejections coming in, guys. Nasty is super choppy. All right. Well, sound. You're funny, man. Okay. So Nasty is coming into these chop candles with some really dirty wicks. Gold's pretty, it gave us some nice moves because there's volume, but look at those candles. Those aren't pretty. Maybe you get in on gold if we break that wick. That could be a nice entry. I don't know. Yep, that area, because we have a nice level of resistance. Flip right there, break of structure. Even though this is break of structure, just to be safer on news, maybe you guys want to get that, okay? Alright, so the Dow, still testing. Let's see. Alright, listen, if you guys are in on the Dow sells, y'all can have your stop loss, because if y'all are in on feelers, y'all should be able to hold it. Y'all can have your stop loss up in this area, the 33302 area. That's where I'm setting my stop, okay? Minute and 13. The DXY is dropping, so wouldn't that make the US 30 bullish? There's no fixed relation between these, alright? Sometimes they correlate, sometimes they don't. It's just we just have to see price action and decide what they're doing for that particular session. But there's nothing's fixed, Ashley, that it's either going to correlate or it isn't. Okay. All right, they're pumping it. We have news in the next 20 seconds, you guys. Let's see if they want to give it to us. Let's see if we get it. I hope you all have your hard stop set up. And let's have a good one, okay? Let's have a good one. Let's not go too crazy, all right? This is probably kicking in now as well, okay? So the ones that are trading oil, check this out. Let's have a good freaking one, you guys. This is news. Okay? Indecision. Break. Go for it. I'm up by 7 freaking grand. Who is with me? All right, gold did it. The dirty did it. Who's with me? I'm running 2,900 on gold right now. 3,000 on gold. Take out profits, guys. If y'all. Okay, this is how we do it at Forex trading. All right. Impulse, no impulse, it don't matter. My Nasdaq is up by 4 grand and I pulled out 3,000 on the dirty. Who caught these? All right, we gave y'all. I was looking at this. My lovely wife is trading this, and I think everyone was trading gold today. All hit TP, you guys. Freaking beautiful. I love it when you have this sort of this sort of movement. I had the wrong lot size set. Ashley, profits are profits. Exactly, it's all good. Got Goldie and dirty. That's it, you guys. We're done. We're done. I'm up by. Babe, that's freaking crazy. How much? That's insane. Okay, we're out. We're out. Have you guys pulled out your profits? Did y'all get out? Insane dub? Yep. Tell me about it, man. This is what we do here, okay? Alright, so I'm gonna send my final freaking position out to you guys. Give me a second. JJ, thank you, my man. Aussie Bosco, thank you, buddy. Thank you so much. Alright, now let them take it bullish. We don't care. Why don't we care? Because we banked on those freaking wicks down there, okay? It's all TA, you guys. As long as you'll have an understanding of these markets, it's all gonna be good, alright? So I caught 2,900 on the dirty, which was my sell order that was triggered. All right, so 2,900 on the dirty. I had another feeler that was running for 64 pips. So that's 29 pips and 64 pips on my feeler. And I caught 18 pips, 36 pips on a gold Corolla. And Nasdaq, my Lambo, gave me 75 pips today. 75 pips. All right, so I am up by a very good amount and a good percentage for the day. I've definitely hit my profit targets. So for the last time, and there better be more than 17 of y'all. All right, you guys. Be it paper trading, whether you made $1, whether you made 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, whatever it is, we want to see how many people made money off of the Forex strategy and off of our setups today. And it better be over 17, okay? Because I got 17 twice. Well, apparently there are just 11 of you now. Okay, y'all get that done whilst I'm gonna do the trade recaps for the day. Babe, can you get these down for me? Alright, so we had our nasty sell. Look at that. Y'all remember me telling y'all how volume's gonna push in Jan? It's right here for you guys. We have each and every move be 100 plus pips. This is what I mean. So in these days, when we're banking bigger pips, if you'll remember back in December, we were doing like maybe 50 pips, 100 pips a day. All right. So this is what I mean by Jan was going to be different, and y'all are seeing it. All right. So 123 pips on the nasty sell, and then we did lovely 71 pips on the gold sell. 88 pips on the dirty. I'm not even gonna count that. It's fine. Listen, you guys, watch for this. Okay, this will play out. I promise y'all, this will play out. Okay, listen. FOMC is in the next 3 hours. All right. Babe, what the fuck is wrong with you? Sorry, you guys. Give me a second. Okay. Milzone, we've got some video for you. I know, I was just looking at exactly that on Cash's MetaTrader. Okay, retest coming in. Listen, today, even today, right? Did y'all see this area? I'm looking at the chat right now. Did y'all spot this area on all the charts when we started the session? You guys? Potential sell. Potential sell. Sell area. Y'all spotted these, right? Y'all know what these mean, right? Break of structure. Y'all see how these areas, the way we mark them out, they're respected, and when they break, price does this. Babe. Don't. I'm sorry, you guys. Just give me a quick second. We've got some crazy profits rolling in right now. Lovely. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. So, what was I saying?
I don't know.
Yeah, these cells. All right. So be on the lookout. Be on the lookout for these areas. Okay, because these areas that I mark out for y'all, these are key levels. Okay. So y'all had all of these big moves before the moves even happened. That's the point that I'm trying to make. We had these levels marked out for y'all before this even happened. So watch my charts. Watch my charts. Are you spotting another sell area over here, guys? Y'all should be. Alright, the 1850, that's the next sell area. We break down from here. You're looking to get down and break this big ass structure. No problem. Okay? So be on the lookout for these, you guys. Be on the lookout for these. Okay? Do we have any questions, or can we call it a session? I'm not sure about how tomorrow's day is gonna look, you guys. I may or may not take the day off, but we'll definitely have at least one session, either London or New York. We'll do either one. We'll let you guys know in just some time. But okay, do y'all want us to trade FOMC tonight? Yes? Okay, listen. I'm gonna have to be a little selfish over here, okay? I am gonna put on a post which is gonna be success stories after this. We usually get anywhere between 30 to 40 people that are on this stream with me regularly reacting to it. But I realize that there are a lot of new people on here today. I realize that, okay? So if we manage to get at least 50 people that are going to tell us that they're going to join in by just reacting to that post, I promise we'll come here and we'll not only do FOMC, but we'll also bring in my birthday together, okay? Because FOMC is 12:30 for us, and that's going to be 30 minutes into my birthday, so I'm probably going to start streaming at 12 if I'm doing it, all right? And I'm more than happy to do it, but I need to set these sort of... I need to set these so that we just are able to get more people to look at what we're doing, okay? So I'm going to put on the success stories. If we get at least 50... I promise you guys we're going to do FOMC and we'll bring in my birthday together, alright? Okay, so Goldie, Nasty, the Dirty, and it's all running, alright? So this thing reversed, screw that, these three, lovely. Alright, so thank you so much, guys, thank you so much. Listen, we'll definitely maybe have either one or two sessions, both tomorrow. We're going to see how it is. We'll see. I have no plans for tomorrow as yet, but I'm sure something or the other is probably going to come up. But I think Cash is definitely at least going to do London for you guys, okay? So we'll have a good one. We do... Fuck. Look at Nasty, you guys. Look at Nasty. I keep losing my chain of thought because of these candles. Another big Dow dub. Fuck. We need to update these, babe. We will. Okay, so we let you guys know. I'm gonna put it into the channel. Thank you guys so much. Alright, you guys, listen, this is what we do at Forex Trading. I keep telling y'all every single day, and I'm gonna tell it to y'all again. The guys, we're building an army, and we're building an army of millionaires. Okay, so if you want to be part of what we're doing here, it's simple, it's free. Alright, just go on to Forex Academy and get set up and just trade with us. Try to learn the strategy. Respect our strategy. Respect mine and Cashish's life's work at this point, and trade with us. All right, we're giving it to you guys for free. We're putting it out there so that you guys can make money with us as well. Okay, so I really appreciate each and every one of y'all. Thank y'all so much. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow, you guys. This is Forex Trading. I'm CramFX signing out.